Canada Day, up Canada way on the first day of July. And we're shouting hooray up Canada way when the maple leaf flies high, when the silver jets from east to west go streaming through our sky.
Meow! Bonjour! Happy Canada Day, everybody! Just showing some pictures of Canada. Sit back, relax, and think about your best neighbour you've ever had. Canada. Saved you in World War II, saved you in Korea. Canada, eh?
It's Canada Day, up Canada way on the first day of July. And we're shouting hooray up Canada way when the maple leaf flies high, when the silver jets from east to west go streaming through our sky. We'll be shouting hooray up Canada way when the great parade goes by. Oh Canada, standing tall together, we raise our hands and hail our flag, the maple leaf forever. It's Canada Day, up Canada way on the coast of Labrador, and we're shouting hooray up Canada way on the wide Pacific shore. People everywhere have a song to share on Canada's holiday, from Peely Island in the sunny south to the North Pole far away. Oh Canada, standing tall together, we raise our hands and hail our flag, the maple leaf forever. It's Canada Day, up Canada way when the long cold winter's done, and we're shouting hooray up Canada way for the great days yet to come, where maple trees grow maple leaves when the northern sun is high. We're Canadians and we're born again on the first day of July. Oh Canada, standing tall together, we raise our hands and hail our flag, the maple leaf forever. It's Canada Day, up Canada way from the lakes to the prairies wide, and we're shouting hooray up Canada way on the St. Lawrence River side. People everywhere have a song to share on Canada's holiday, from Peely Island in the sunny south to